Thank you. I need to get up. Okay, actually now I have to get up to get this coins. I'm gonna be rich. My piggy bank is great. Here's where we put up the coins. And this this necklace. And these bracelets. And pink shorts. And pink shirt. Elias. And this way for Elia. I'm going to put my hair up. And maybe later on today, I'm going to take it down. So, she has a cute little bow. And this romper. There. Okay, now we can actually see Lily's outfit. Lily's heart love. There. Oh, the baby. Oh, I hit the camera. Oh, this is my brush. You found it. I'm gonna get you. This is our life.
Couches are deep cleaned. Some are already dry because I took a break because my back, I have sciatica and I have back pain, and it's a whole nother story, but I am in pain all the time. But look at this. This is all from the couch. How disgusting. If this is a sign. If you don't clean your couches, clean them. So at my dad's house, when we were living there, my dad had leather couches. So I mean, I didn't shampoo it. I do a little like wipe down. That's about it. Vacuum wipe down. That's about it, you know. But look how disgusting that is. It's gross. Gross. Now I gotta do a shampoo the living room carpet. And I'm exhausted. Mama put this little baby to sleep. It's her nap time. Nap time.
That's food.
It's gross, yeah.
Yeah, that's food.
It's all clean. So this is what we got from our carpet. Doesn't seem like that much compared to our couch, but the couch like are deep clean. Oh, I actually did have to dump it out once because I ran out of water, so I had to refill it.
Oh, what's wet?
Tell me you have kids without telling me you have kids. I just bought these bins, but all her toys fit in one. But I did get rid of a lot. But we have a little jumper here, but I don't like the way this is looking there. It's just bothering me to see you. I'm gonna put it on the side like this. There, I like that much better. So I got her little jumper. Ari and Leah actually use this as a swing. I bought them swings to hang on here. It's supposed to come in tomorrow, so I'll show you guys that tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. I don't know. I wanted to put her slide somewhere because usually it's right here, but I feel like that would be easier for her to climb in the back. There's space in the back for her to climb and then slide down. But our living room is cleaned, and I know we have that, but outside has been raining like crazy, so everything that's important is like under shelter, I guess. But I don't want to get that dirty, so it's in the house. Look it. I still need to finish my Scrabble wall though. I need to find things to put around it, but I haven't found anything I liked yet. So Lily's mad because she's trying to grab the bowl. I need to wipe the table because there's fingerprints. But we finally got a dining set. This is the most fattest lighting ever, but I love it. I love it. So this is what the table looks like. This has to go in storage. But look at the chairs. Aren't they beautiful? And one thing I love is how big and wide the seats are. It doesn't look that big in camera, but it's actually huge. And it's cushioned, and I love it, and it's just beautiful. And we finally got it over a year later. We finally got a dining set. What? You can't have that. Okay, gotta go. Hi guys, so I know you guys see all of those stains in my dining room carpet, but I found this amazing product. I'm about to show a little clip. If you guys want to see more clips, I do have it posted on my TikTok. It's EX2L. But Leaky was a non-believer, so if you hear me talking smack to him, that is the reason why he was against it. He thought it wasn't going to work, but stains came out. So the clip I'm about to show you is the girls' room. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast, but it's the girls'. Oh my god. The clip I'm about to show you is the girls' room, but I did do the dining room, and that is on my TikTok, which you see in the previous video, because stains, kids, carpet. I don't know who put carpet in the dining room, but they weren't smart about it. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm about to show you now. As I'm editing, I show the dining room after. So first clips are the girls' room, which you're going to see pink because they love to paint and play with makeup, which they're not supposed to be doing in their room, but they do it anyways. And then after that, I moved to the dining room. Sorry, I lied.
Guarantee an order, 100%.
Leaky's irritated. Make the mix. Oh. It really did. It really did go away.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No,
Yes, it did.
It did.
Yeah, but it's not as pink as it was. Show me. Look at all this blue and pink. This is not even me scrubbing. It really is working. Move, you guys. I want to spray in your guys' face. That's another thing. It's good to be around kids and animals. It really did go away, guys.
Why you not do the one that's over there?
Where? The black? So this is our big stain. See?
Oh, it's still there.
I have to scrub also.
Why is it not disappearing?
Ari, stop.
Do a review right.
I can't tell if it's going away or if it's just wet looking. Stop. Let's start with the small one.
It's kind of going away.
But that thing was dark and I was trying to get that out for months and it was not coming out. Oh my god. Oh shit. Do you have faith now?
Clean it better.
Well, it needs to dry. It's wet. You know when stuff is wet, it has that color.
Scrub it out.
And put a little bit more.
No,
mommy spray.
You're jealous. You're jealous.
Oh my gosh. It still looks like there's marks because it's wet, but it's gone. Look at that. There's no stain here. Don't mind my nails. There's no stain here. It's just because it's wet. Oh my god! Here's another stain in our dining room. I don't know. I don't even know what this is from.
What's the grab?
Let mommy do it.
I want to do it.
And it smells good. It smells like lemony, sort of. I don't know. It doesn't smell like chemicals though, which is a plus. You guys, it just is like magic. Look at that. It's just gone already before I even scrubbed. Just like magic. Okay, I can't see. Okay, maybe just a little more right here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that one. Gone. Bam, gone. Bam, gone. Oh my gosh. So the product is Melaleuca. It's the Solumel. It is the stain remover. So they are based off of referrals. So if you want the referral link, I will send it to you. You can drop your email down below, or you can DM me on Instagram with your phone number or your email, whichever one you want, and then I'll send you a link. It's gonna play you like a 6-minute video about how Melaleuca works, which basically it works by, you know, you send a referral. I don't know where you guys live, but on Oahu we do have an actual store, a Melaleuca store. So I don't know where you guys are, if you guys have one or not, but if not, you order online. I've never been into the store. I order it online. You can do like subscriptions or not. You can cancel. You can do whatever you want. It's like a membership. I don't know if the $1 membership for the whole year is going on still yet, but if not, it's $19 per year. So it's kind of like, you know, like a Sam's Costco, like a membership. But they have an actual store. I think it's worth it. Out of all the products I tried, out of all the money I wasted, all the money I spent trying to find something to take out stains, that is the only thing that actually made stains come out. And I'm currently in my office. There was stains from ink from my printer. When I pulled it out from my sublimation, it dripped down and I had blue stains all over. On my TikTok, I have that of me getting out the blue stains. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just hit your girl up.